3, 2, 1.
Hello, my name is Aries Redding. Hello, my name is Aries Redding, and I'm 7 years old. And this is my Beach Barbie doll house. The first thing I would like to share with you guys is my grandpa got this for me before he went to North Carolina. Before he went to North Carolina with my brother, and I felt really happy that he got this for me. Next thing I would like to share with you. This is supposed to be a certain kind of house, but I built it of my own kind. I made it myself out of the Legos that he got me, but it's actually supposed to be another house, not supposed to actually be this kind of house, but I made it creative. And the next thing I would like to share with you guys is me and my friend, we built this house, and he had the idea to make a garage down here. He comes here for camp, so I see him every day, like on the weekends. And he has a police set, and he has a police motorcycle. So he brings his motorcycle and puts the motorcycle in the garage. And the next thing I would like to share with you is these stairs. I made these stairs. I made these stairs out of Legos. So I put this little thing on the bottom because the stairs weren't high enough to reach. And this door doesn't open all the way. And when you walk in through the stairs, you see the kitchen, and the first thing that I like about the kitchen is it has a little oven, and it opens and clicks back on when you want it to click back on. And it has a little microwave. It doesn't click back on, but it opens and closes. It has a glue that goes to it, but I don't know. And the next thing is it leads through the bedroom. It leads through the bedroom, and it has just a second. The lights broke off of the doors. So yeah, I have to put those back on. Okay, now this stairs broke off. I'll put that back on later. And it leads to the bedroom, and it has like a little TV. It's supposed to turn, but the roof is on it, and you can take the roof off and it'll turn around and stuff. So, yeah. And here's the bedroom, and I can't take the little things off because last time I took them off, it broke the whole bed thing. And so here's like the bed. Here's one bed, the other one. Thanks for watching my video. And thanks for watching my video. And I have 2 dolls, but I thought you where the other one is right now. Bye-bye.